push as it bubble up. Feel it up, select a pull and juggle up. One time come again, make we double up. Pick up the youth, them not struggle up. Yo, make me know so we must survive. We feel alive, nobody can break the strike. No compromise, the limit of reach the sky. Every time you hear it coming, feel the rush.
Oh, feel it in the air. Keep on moving it forward and live with no fear. Feel the rush. Oh, feel it everywhere. Keep on moving it forward and live with no fear.
We must succeed to number one. Better know when the Africans are overstand, and I must salute the champion. Stand firm, so we hold the ground with victory bound. The best contender, pound for pound. Every time when you hear the sound, you shake the ground, you know it's coming.
Well, first of all, I want to thank everybody for coming out. I think this is a historic occasion. 18 to 12 yourself. And me being a Brooklynite myself, when I came to the stage, Flatbush is where I came. And I was going around down. My musical career really started in Flatbush. And so, having a concert of this nature. In the box, I think it's good for us to have our treasure.
Okay, ever since the state, the arena was conceived in terms of that, we decided that we wanted to do the best concert in the best arena in Brooklyn. Most of our reggae artists, to us, is Brooklyn is the capital of Jamaica, outside of Jamaica. So through that, we wanted to do it in Brooklyn, and the arena is a state-of-the-art arena.
As far as touring the stadium, I had an opportunity to do that a couple of days ago with Josh and a couple of people, and everything inside looks amazing. I don't think there is a bad seat in this venue, to be honest with you. And even if you're up in the bleachers, and we've been to quite a few parts of it, there is just not a bad view at all in this stadium. And as much as it's a huge place, when you're inside, it feels very intimate. I think that once you walk inside, you will get that vibe from it, because that's exactly, it was empty. And I got that vibe once I walked inside.
George presented this opportunity. Jammins Entertainment. George has been doing this for so many years. And by life, this entity within the Link Up Media Group of companies, it's new, but we're moving quite aggressively, and we want to align ourselves with people who we know are good, and to make them and us even better. So that's why as you all know him, David Anarchy, he has linked up with George to be a part of 12-12-12. And we know it's going to get awesome to Shaggy. Thought it, how can it not be? So it's going to be good. And that's why we joined up with Jammins Entertainment.
Now, how did you go about deciding what artists to choose for the historical event? How did you do it?
Hey, you know something? That was easy. I just looked for the 4 greatest artists that have performed for me over the years. Tickets are going to be available at Footprints, both Footprints. Ticketmaster is going to be available. Mood is in the Bronx, VP in Queens. Of course, Jammins Travel, Unique Vacation on Church Avenue, the Door Restaurant. I think that's it.
Better know when the Africans are overstand, and I must salute the champion. Stand firm, so we hold the ground with victory bound. The best contender, pound for pound. Every time when you hear the sound, you shake the ground, you know it's coming.